Hey guys, Sandy here, and if I can grab this real quick, I still have this kit. It is definitely so not killed. Let's see what I can do. Well, I pulled out some stuff from that kit, this huge kit I still have, and I can't believe that I'm doing this, but I'm actually using the kind of chalkboardy black paper on this side instead of the design on the back. And the design, oh guys, I just have a win. On the other side of that paper is white. Yay! So I don't feel like I gypped myself out of using some fun patterns. Okay, so these are photos that we're taking on the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train ride, and those photos are taken by the camera that is actually on the roller coaster, so they're fun. This gold star paper on white came from my Love from Lizzie card kit. If you don't know about Love from Lizzie, you do need to check them out. If you go to www.lovefromlizzie.com, she has a great little shop and a card kit that is just jam-packed full of stuff. And she is based out of Britain overseas, so you do pay a little bit of a premium because you have to pay for that shipping to get it over here. But oh my goodness, her stuff is amazing. And I met Lizzie at Junkie Fest, and she was so sweet and so lovely, and I signed up for her card kits before I even left, and I haven't made one card. So I just received my third kit yesterday, and it's probably a little bit of a selfish thing. So I really love the products that come in the kits, like love the products. And instead of putting them on cards that I give away to people, I've been putting them on scrapbook pages so I can keep them and enjoy them. So yeah, anyway, Lizzie's kits are great for scrapbooking too. So what I've done here is just made some layers down here with some scraps that I've had in my little Kit. My little Kit. Yeah, okay. And then I'm just pulling out some things because I have a lot of Disney product and a lot of Disney photos, and I need to get moving. Like, seriously need to get moving. I have other trips that need to be scrapbooked, other Disney trips, and this little stack of photos is holding me back, so gotta get it done. Now, I pulled these little tassel stickers, and I just decided to go for it up here. Had no idea what else was going down, and then I really went for it and drew lines. There we go. Now, what was going through my head when I put the tassel stickers down was to actually sew the lines on, but yeah, that did not happen. Did not happen whatsoever. This is a rub-on from Echo Park, Wish Upon a Star, I believe. And I just went ahead and put that down with my Creative Memories tool. And I love this Creative Memories tool, and I probably should order another one because the end is kind of cracking and it's old. It's like original Creative Memories. I need to order one before my Creative Memories consultant thing runs out, because I don't think I'm going to renew it. I kind of got just about everything I wanted with the discount, and it totally was worth it for the minimum yearly price. Anyway, I'm getting off subject here. So I'm just going to go ahead and create... this isn't even really the title. Like, this is kind of just words that I'm using to decorate with. I really love decorating with text. It's one of my favorite things to do. And I'm figuring that I needed some excitement up at the top of this page here. And one thing I do on a pretty regular basis is cut apart labels and spread them behind another something so that it looks like it's one huge long label. And that happy place sticker does not stay, sadly. It changes. I change my mind with the words and the decorations I want to use. I'm thinking, you know, I'm building this over here. I'm not putting the stickers down completely because I do know that I have something else has to go there. Like, I need to bridge that gap between the photo mat and the black paper in the background and then the white paper with the gold stars on it. Like, something has to happen there, and I'm not entirely sure what it is yet. So I'm flipping through my stickers and my cut apart sheets, and I see this best day ever, and I decide I'm just gonna put that on there. And then I'm looking at this and I'm like, I really don't like those dots. Like, it's just not, I'm looking at it and I'm like, no, the dots need to come off. So instead of grabbing a circle die cut, which I do have some circle die cuts, I don't know if I have one in this particular size, but I don't even try. I just go for my scissors and I'm like, I'm going to just do this. We're going to get this page done. This is the second month that I am using this kit, and that is kind of ridiculous. So I need to bust this out and get a layout just done. That's where I'm at right now. I'm like, I need to use this crap up. I need to get this layout done. I need to move on from these 2015 Disney photos because I'm over it. And not over it in a way of I don't want to scrapbook Disney photos anymore, but over it in a way of I thought this project was done long ago and I'm still messing around with it, and I just really, really need to be complete. Like, I need to have it done. Plus, you know, I can't have too many Disney trips to scrapbook when I'm trying to get another Disney trip going. You know what I mean? So here I take some words, and I realized that I had used the same colors except for I had thrown the blue up there, and I decided to take the blue off and just repeat the yellow, black, and red. And I'm totally okay with that. I'm totally okay with not having the blue up there in that corner. It's kind of like the afterthought decoration, even though it was one of the first things I did. It's not really going to be something that I really want your eye to be like crazily drawn to. It's just that little extra right there. So here I am figuring out this cluster because I'm changing it around yet again. And I found this sticker that said best place ever. So I thought best day ever, best place ever was a pretty awesome title, and I decided to definitely use that as my title instead of the magic and fun that I had created over here on the left side of the page. Now, if you look at this page and you say, okay, the title is magic and fun, hey, have at it, dude. Like, let that be your thing. I really don't care. Because you know what? In 5 years, when I'm flipping through my Disney albums and I'm looking at this, I might not even remember that I used Best Day Ever as the title. I might look at this and think, oh, magic and fun. Cool title. Who cares? Like, it's done. The page is done. The memories are there. That's what I'm going for, people. I want the memories down and I want them done. Because I love going back and looking at them. And I love having the details down in the stories. And then I love having not every single detail written, because it's like a memory trigger in your mind, and it takes me on a great like memory thing. And these freaking guys are now right outside my window while I'm trying to voice over, and just about everybody on our street gets their lawns done by these guys, and they, you know, cut the grass and they blow off all the clippings and all that kind of stuff. And you're probably hearing a whole bunch of it, but they've been going at this for a while, and they'll be going at it for a while because, like I said, they do just about every house on our street. So I'm just going to talk right on over the noise, and hopefully you're okay with it. And I probably should look down to see what I'm doing because I've been staring off into space for a little while. So now the only thing I'm doing is adding the little extra bits and fun things to just like really just make this a truly Disney-fied embellished page. And then that's going to do it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.